Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Booyah Show. So today we are going to prepare a simple meal for our traditional food, our githeri. This is maize and beans. We have 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, dania. I'm going to use potatoes and some doma. Here I have my 2 Royco cubes salt and of course my avocado. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, share and comment. So I'm going to let this to cook until it is golden brown. This is what I've used to measure my oil. I've just used 2 cups of this and my 2 onions. I'll let this cook well until it is golden brown, and then from this we're going to add our tomatoes, our potatoes and our we have added our tomatoes, potatoes and our doma. So I'm going to stir it until the tomatoes are well cooked. So at this point I'm going to add my 2 Royco cubes and I also add the salt. Please guys try my recipe and you can never go wrong with this recipe. As you can see, our tomatoes are well cooked. So I'm going to add my chili flakes that I have forgotten. So don't add a lot of this, depending on how you like your food to be. I've already added my githeri. So at this point I'm going to add a little bit of water. So the amount of water you want to use to your githeri depends on how you want your githeri to be. So for me, that's the water is enough for me. So I like it like this because I want my githeri to be thick. And guys, our githeri is ready. As you can see, our potatoes and our arrowroot have already cooked so well, and the githeri is so thick to eat, and it's ready to eat. Our meal is ready to serve. It's okay with our avocado. So at this point you can add your greens. If you want greens, you can also add your cabbage, and it's very yummy to take it in the morning, to take it during supper, lunchtime. So it's a very nice meal, especially even in the morning when you're going to work. You take this and your cup of tea, you have a whole day to go through. Thank you guys for watching. Until next video, bye bye.